now burning and combustion. Burning and combustion. Definitions, બહુ બધી definitions છે. The first definition is combustion. Combustion ને સાદી ભાષામાં કહીએ તો સળગવું. કોઈ પણ વસ્તુ સળગે એટલે કે એનું combustion થયું કહેવાય. Which is a chemical reactions. It is a chemical reactions in which the substance react with oxygen. મેં હમણાં જ કીધું ને combustion means oxygen સાથેની reactions and liberate lot of heat and light energy. The chemical reaction in which the substance combine with oxygen of the air and liberate a large amount of the energy in the form of heat and light energy, then it is known as burning or combustion. For example, magnesium ribbon. Magnesium ribbon in the presence of oxygen form magnesium oxide. So 2 is a burning. And any fuel, any kind of the fuel, જેમ કે કાર્બન છે, oxygen, coal react with oxygen and form carbon dioxide and releases lot of heat energy. So it's a combustion. Coke or a coal, અને C for coke भी कहेवाय, C for coal भी कहेवाय. Now combustible substance. Second is combustible substance. Do all substance catch fire? No. Sand cannot burn, glass cannot burn, aluminium, all kind of the metal, magnesium can burn. All kind of the metal cannot burn, right? So the substance which do not combine with oxygen and liberate heat and light energy is known as a non-combustible substances. But the combustible substances मतलब जे पोते सळगी શકે એને combustible substance કહેવાય. The substance which combine with oxygen of the air and liberate heat and light energy, the substance are known as a combustible substance. And examples are wood, cow dung cake, petrol, diesel, kerosene, naphtha, are charcoal, LPG, biogas are examples of combustible substance. Inflammable substance, inflammable, combustible substance, inflammable substance. Inflammable, સહેજ જ heat energy આપીને તો બી it catches fire so fast, right? For example, LPG આપણે એમ કહીએ કે just spark થાય ને, switch ચાલુ કરો તો પણ આગ લાગી જાય. When the gas is leaked and the gas is filled inside the room, gas leak થયો હોય ને આખા રૂમની અંદર ગેસ ભરાઈ ગયો હોય અને તમે સ્વિચ ચાલુ કરો તો બી blast થઈ જાય, because it's inflammable. The substance whose burning point, yani inflammable point, the combustible substance will combine with oxygen of air at a comparatively very low temperature, बहुत जल्दी थी oxygen जोड़े combine થાય અને heat and light energy release करे. For example, petrol, all kind of the gases, for example, LPG gas, methane gas, and produces a large amount of heat and light energy accompanied by flame. Flame સાથે બહુ બધી light and heat energy આપે, is known as an inflammable substance. Liquid, for example, petrol, kerosene oil, alcohol, ether are example of inflammable substances. And gases like CNG, LPG, methane, ethene, acetylene, carbon monoxide and hydrogen. And combustible substance એમાં liquid કયા છે? All liquids, kerosene, petrol, diesel, etc. And gases કયા છે? Gases LPG, CNG, hydrogen, carbon monoxide, કયા હતા અહીંયા? Carbon monoxide, methane, જે CNG નો constituent છે methane, અને LPG નો constituent છે butane. Methane, ethene, etc. These are an example of inflammable substances. Non-combustible substances. Non-combustible. सड़गे नहीं, पत्थर सड़गे, रेती सड़गे. No. The substance which do not burn in the air of oxygen of the air and do not produce any heat and light energy is known as non-combustible substances. In solid, for example, stone, common salt, मीठू सड़के ना सड़के, रेती, silicon ना सड़के, and the liquid such as water, water सड़के, no, and gases like nitrogen, તમારે ને વારી વારી વચ્ચે બહુ બધું nitrogen છે, 78% nitrogen, that is not combustible substance. Carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide are non-combustible gases. Supporter of combustion, supporter of combustion यानी any presence હોય તો સળગે, any substance, oxygen is a supporter of combustion. Any supporter of a combustion, the gaseous environment in which the substance can burn is known as a supporter of combustion. Air, air is a main, air પણ air માં પણ oxygen. Air is the main supporter of combustion on earth. It is the oxygen in the air which support the combustion. Nitrogen oxide, nitrogen 1 oxide, nitrogen 1 oxide मतलब nitrogen plus 1 oxygen minus 2 એટલે કે N2O કહેવાય. N2O is another gas which supports the combustion after oxygen. And oxygen is a supporter of combustion as well as N2O is also supporter of combustion. Now combustion in the absence of air. Air. There are some substances which support the combustion without oxygen. Oxygen ની વગર પણ સળગે. There are examples are જો અહીંયા જેમ કે magnesium burn in the atmosphere of nitrogen. This is very important. Combustion is possible in the absence of oxygen. Combustion in the absence of oxygen. Oxygen વગર પણ સળગે એવા કયા કયા એક્ઝામ્પલ છે? For example, magnesium burn in the nitrogen atmosphere and form magnesium nitride. Magnesium plus 2, nitrogen 3. Nitrogen 3 આવે ને -3. So the formula of Mg3N2 magnesium nitride. Magnesium nitride. Burning of magnesium remain continue burning in the atmospheric nitrogen which is not supporter of combustion. Nitrogen is not a supporter of combustion. Still, this is the exception in which the magnesium remain burn in the atmosphere of nitrogen. Hydrogen can also burn in the atmosphere of chlorine and form hydrochloric acid which is gaseous in state. So this is also a second example in which hydrogen is a fuel, magnesium is a metal which can burn in the presence of oxygen as well as in the absence of oxygen. Magnesium in the presence of oxygen they form magnesium oxide, but magnesium in the absence of oxygen in the atmosphere of nitrogen form magnesium nitride. Factors on which the rate of combustion depend. કેટલું જલ્દીથી combustion થાય એના માટે શું કરવું જોઈએ? હવે આપણે એમ કે આટલો કોલસો છે, કોલસો બી સળગે, પણ એ કોલસાનો એકદમ પાવડર બનાવી દઈએ તો કોણ વધારે સળગે? ફાસ્ટ. ઓબ્વિયસલી પાવડર, પણ પાવડર એ શું ઇન્ડિકેટ કરે છે? ઇન્ડિકેટ કરે છે સરફેસ એરિયા, રાઈટ? સાઇઝ ઓફ ધ કમ્બસ્ટિબલ પાર્ટિકલ. સાઇઝ ઓફ combustible particles. Size of combustible particles. The smaller is the size of combustible particle, is faster is the combustion. Faster is the rate of combustion. જેટલા નાના particles કરીએ એટલું એનું combustion નો rate faster હોય. For example, coal હોય, coal છે, આ coal છે અને આ coal dust છે. Coal dust catches fire more rapidly as compared to coal. And aluminum powder, aluminum નો powder છે, આ aluminum ની metal છે, aluminum metal છે અને aluminum નો powder છે. Aluminum powder catches fire more rapidly as compared to aluminum metal. Nature of combustible substances. First is size, nature of combustible substance. Nature of combustible substance. Combustible substance નું nature કેવું છે? Inflammable છે કે non inflammable છે? Inflammable એટલે બહુ જલ્દીથી catch કરે fire. For example, petrol or LPG gas are an inflammable substance. The inflammable substance burn more rapidly as compared to substance such as coal or a wood. કોલ અને વુડ છે એટલું જલ્દીથી ના સળગે જેટલું પેટ્રોલ સળગે. Because petrol catches fire, because petrol is more inflammable than wood. Nature of gaseous environment. Third is nature of gaseous environment. Nature of gaseous environment. The gaseous environment determines the rate of combustion. Environment કેવું છે? For example, તમારી આજુબાજુમાં એટલું બધું પોલ્યુશન છે કે ઓક્સિજનનું પ્રપોર્શન ઓછું છે. Generally what happens, 78% of nitrogen and 21% of oxygen is a normal concentration of oxygen in the atmosphere. But if the place is has more pollution, so percentage of oxygen in the atmosphere is less, then availability of the gaseous substances in which the oxygen is less, then the rate of combustion is slower. કારણ કે ઓક્સિજન ઓછું હોય તો combustion ધીમે થાય. The combustible substance burn at an extreme faster rate in a pure oxygen. Pure oxygen આપો તો બહુ ફાસ્ટ જાય, પણ પ્યોર ઓક્સિજન તો એને મળે નહીં, કારણ કે air which contain not pure 78% nitrogen and 21% of oxygen. But in the air the concentration of oxygen is 21%. Ignition temperature. The substance can burn only when it reaches its ignition temperature. For example, અમે જ્યારે સ્કૂલમાં હતા ત્યારે એક એક્સપેરિમેન્ટ કરતા હતા. એકદમ જાડો કાગળ લેવાનો, એકદમ જે મેગેઝીનનો કાગળ હોય ને એવો, અને એમાંથી એક બોલ બનાવવાનો સ્ટેપલર મારીને, રાઈટ, અને એને થોડું મોઇસ્ટ થવા દેવાનું. એટલું મોઇસ્ટ નહીં કે નીચેથી આખું આમ તૂટી જાય, પણ એની અંદર પાણી ભરી દેવાનું, પાણી ભરીને એને ગેસ ઉપર મૂકવાનું. So in the paper cup you can boil water without burning paper. How can it be possible? Yes, it is possible, because combustion temperature of this paper cup is more than 100 degrees Celsius. Combustion temperature is more than 100 degrees Celsius. But water, its boiling point is 100 degrees Celsius. Whatever the heat supplied is gained by the water. At 100 degrees Celsius it starts boiling. So temperature of the water doesn't rise more than 100 degrees Celsius. So ultimately the temperature of the paper doesn't rise more than 100 degrees Celsius. એટલે કે પેપરનું ટેમ્પરેચર 100 ડિગ્રીથી વધારે ના થાય, અને 100 ડિગ્રીથી વધારે ના થાય તો પછી એ બંધ ના થાય, કારણ કે એનું ટેમ્પરેચર તો બર્નિંગ ટેમ્પરેચર છે, કમ્બસ્ટેબલ જેનું ઇગ્નિશન ટેમ્પરેચર છે એ મોર ધેન 100 ડિગ્રી સેલ્સિયસ છે. Minimum, what is ignition temperature? What is ignition temperature? The minimum temperature required to start burning. That temperature. The minimum temperature to which the combustible substance start burning is known as its ignition temperature. The lower the ignition temperature, the higher is the rate of burning. હવે ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ પેટ્રોલ છે અથવા એલપીજી છે, એનું ઇગ્નિશન ટેમ્પરેચર વેરી લો હોય, સેજ લાઇટર મારીએ તો બી ચાલુ થઈ જાય, because its ignition temperature is very low. But the paper or a wood ignition temperature is so high, તો આપણે એને વધારે ડિગ્રી સેલ્સિયસમાં બર્ન કરીએ ત્યારે they start burning. Example substance like ether, alcohol, petrol, which ignition temperature is below 50 degrees Celsius, so they start burning very rapidly. Prove that air is essential for combustion. તમારે જોવાનું છે air is essential for combustion. Prove the experiment. To prove that oxygen is necessary for combustion. For that you have to take a beaker and half fill with the water and stand a candle which is half inside the water and half outside it, and start burning. એને burn કરવાનું શરૂ કરી દો. Okay, so it give a bright flame because it get lot of oxygen from the air. But now you cover this candle with a glass container. એને cover કરી દો. So whatever the oxygen inside this space till the candle continue burning. થોડી વાર માટે એ candle છે એ સળગશે because અહીંયા જેટલો oxygen હશે ત્યાં સુધી એ સળગશે. Okay, then after when the oxygen is used around the candle, oxygen નથી and no more oxygen because water છે અહીંયાથી તો water છે, atmospheric oxygen cannot enter around the burning flame. When the oxygen is not available for the burning, then what happen? It extinguish. It બંધ થઈ જાય. What does it prove? It prove કરે છે કે combustion માટે oxygen જરૂરી છે. જ્યાં સુધી oxygen હતો ત્યાં સુધી સળગ્યું, જ્યારે એનો oxygen ખતમ થઈ ગયો તો candle છે એ extinguish થઈ જાય, બંધ થઈ જાય. Right? Difference between combustion and respiration. Last topic of this chapter. Difference between the combustion and respiration. चलो, combustion એટલે કે લાકડું સળગે, પેટ્રોલ સળગે, that is combustion. And respiration, whatever the food enter inside the cell, આ cell છે એની અંદર જે food ગયું, food plus oxygen release carbon dioxide and water and heat energy. That is the heat energy or the energy release is known as a respiration. Respiration occurred inside the cell. It is biochemical process. While combustion of wood, combustion of coal is just a one kind of physical is a chemical reaction. Is a chemical reaction, is a biochemical reaction. Is a first combustion is chemical reaction and respiration is biochemical reaction because it occurred inside of our body. Biochemical reaction. Biochemical reactions which release carbon dioxide, water vapor as well as heat and light energy. When we burn coal or a wood, light energy is also produced. Light not produced, right? But respiration our body ma light થાય? No, just heat energy produced. Are oxidized rapidly and heat and light energy are produced. For example, methane gas, biogas. Biogas છે એટલે કે methane. Oxygen સાથેની reaction, then carbon dioxide and water vapor and lot of heat and light energy is produced is an examples of combustion. But respiration is a slow and biochemical reaction in which the carbon and hydrogen present in the food is C6H12O6 plus oxygen. Carbon and hydrogen in the food is oxidized. Material are oxidized by the oxygen and form carbon dioxide and water. Carbon no oxygen થઈને carbon dioxide, hydrogen no oxidation થઈને water, and only heat energy is produced. Heat energy is produced with a slow release of heat energy. Right? Now everyday examples to show that air is necessary for combustion. A dull coal fire flares up when the fresh air is blown through it. Dull coal fire, આપણે ગામડે ગયા હોય તો કોઈ બી શિયાળાની અંદર આપણે તાપણું કરતા હોય in winter season, when the fire extinguishes but still the redness is there, then what we do? ફૂંક મારી, then it start catches fire. Then what we provide the redness of the fire? Oxygen. When the flame is not present, just redness is there in the coal or a burning material, and when we blow it, then we supply lot of oxygen, and in oxygen then it catches fire. A burning fire dies when the scent or water is poured over it. બર્નિંગ ફાયર, કોઈ બી ફાયર છે એની પર વોટર નાખી water or sand નાખી દે તો extinguish થઈ જાય. Why? Because it do not provide oxygen. It's cut off of oxygen. Son, the flame of a spirit lamp goes off when a metallic cap is placed on the flame. A flame છે ને, કોઈ flame છે એની પર metallic cap નાખી દઈએ તો એ extinguish થઈ જાય. Why? Because this do not provide oxygen around it, so it extinguish. Right? So here is the end of this chapter. Now bio.